In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Apple Pay iPhone 7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up payment methods on your Apple Wallet so you are able to pay with Apple Pay. To start, open the Wallet application. This is going to be a default app on any iPhone model. So when you open your wallet, tap the plus button at the top right corner of the screen and you will be able to add a credit or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will either be able to automatically fill out all of the details about the card by scanning the card with your camera or manually typing them out. So choose whichever option you prefer. So either use your camera and fill all of the details automatically or type them out one by one. With this done, you will have to verify the card, so choose any of the verification methods, and once the card has been successfully verified, it is going to appear under your wallet. With this done, you are now set up to use Apple Pay. If you are at a physical location and you want to issue a contactless payment, then double-click the home button to activate Apple Pay, and when you see the prompt, you will be able to authenticate with Touch ID and physically hold your iPhone near the contactless card reader. Keep the top of your iPhone near the reader until you see the done message or a check mark appear on the screen. And with this done, the payment method that you selected will be used and the payment will be issued. You can repeat this process many times as you wish. You just have to physically place your iPhone near the contactless card reader. Alternatively, if you want to issue an online payment, just proceed to checkout and choose the option to use Apple Pay as the payment method. You will then see a prompt on screen, and once again, you can choose the specific card that you would like to use, and you can authenticate with Touch ID to get the payment completed. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Pay iPhone 7. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.